Welcome to the Easy Fix It Tech News channel, and wanted to do a little talk about CPUs, and especially the AMD Ryzen CPUs. For a long time, I resisted. Actually, I didn't buy AMD computers that had AMD CPUs, basically. And one of the reasons why, as a tech guy over years, I've noticed that there was a higher percentage of people having problems on the AMD side of things, mainly because of overheating, because AMD processors often overheat more and have less of a good fan. The Intel processors always had a really good fan on them. But of course, as AMD faded slightly away, Intel started with the Core i5s and i7s and i9s and so on. What happened is that over time, Intel was still the big winner of the CPU processings. And it's interesting because the Ryzen CPUs is really a big comeback for AMD. And I actually have purchased my first Ryzen CPU-enabled laptop this last week. And I have to say, I'm extremely amazed at how AMD has made things better, how they have improved the product so much, and how fast they are. Actually, most new Ryzen CPUs actually perform better than most Intel CPUs that are available. And this is truly amazing. Not counting the fact that Intel is still stuck at 10 nanometer process, is unable to go smaller than that, where AMD has been able to actually go to 7 nanometer process. And this is pretty amazing when you think about it, how small this is. And I've come to notice after about a week and a half that, I would not hesitate anymore to tell someone, if you're buying a computer, don't hesitate. If you see one with a Ryzen CPU inside, don't hesitate. You should actually get it, because this product, has become and has really gone a long way into really something amazing today. And it's truly interesting to see the war on CPUs and how AMD's comeback is actually very interesting. Fast processors, good quality, and a much better product actually than AMD processors of 10 years ago. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.